Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adam Morales, and in this video I want to go over this type of questions in which students have to graph a decimal number on a number line. This question is actually a question for a third grader. However, yesterday I was tutoring a student in sixth grade, and in one of the questions, a sixth grade question, the student had to graph fractions and also decimals on the number line. Graphing fractions was not the issue. The student was able to graph the fraction. When it comes to the decimals, he struggled a lot trying to graph a decimal number on a number line. So I want to go over this so you can start working at home with your younger children. That way they have a solid understanding on how to graph decimals on a number line. So the question says, on which number line is point X located at a distance of 1.3 units from 0? Okay, 1.3 units from 0. All right, so to do this question, students have to understand several things. Number one, they need to understand that this decimal number, this 0.3, is a fraction of a number. Okay, they need to understand that that 0.3 is a piece of a whole, but it's not a complete whole. They also need to understand that this 1 means one complete whole. Okay, so when they look at the number line, the choices, you need to start helping them by eliminating those answers that do not make sense. For example, like I said, this is 1.3. So think of it as $1 and something, okay? $1 and a little bit more. So it's 1 unit and a little bit more. So when I look at the choices, choice F, this is 1 unit and I see a little bit more. So this may be one of the answers. So I'm gonna keep this one. Then I look at choice G, and then I see same thing, 1 unit and a little bit more. So this is also another choice. Now we look at choice H, and I see that is a little after 0, but 1 unit is here. So H is not an answer because my number is 1 unit and a little bit more, 1 unit 0.3. So right now I know that H is not an answer. So I'm going to eliminate that. Now when you look at J, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, so 0, the 1 is here, so the number is before the 1. So this is also not an answer because the location is before the 1 and it's supposed to be after the 1. So now we have two choices. So now even if your child doesn't understand 100%, your child has 50% chance of getting this answer right by just eliminating these two choices that do not make sense. So now, how do we get the correct answer? Okay, so we understand that it has to be 1 and something. Now we need to figure out what this 0.3 is. So the 0.3, what I teach my students to understand is that the 0.3, think about it as a base 10. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, all the way to 10. So that means that we're going to take 1 unit from 0 to 1 and we're going to divide it into 10 pieces. So this is the first piece, this is 1, this is 0, then this is 1, this is 2, let me see, 1, 2, 3, okay, better to do it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So think about money, okay? 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, until you get to $1. So that's what this means, okay? When you have a 0.3, think about it as $1.30. So that means I need 3 of those units because each one represents 10 cents, okay? This is base 10. So when I look at this, this is $1, all the way to 1 is $1, but then if I go here, this will be $1.10. But this is before that, so this is actually not. This is actually like $1 0.02 cents or 1 cent. It is not 10 cents because 10 cents will be the first line, because remember we divided this into 10 pieces. Each piece represents 10 cents. So this is not an answer. So now we only have letter G, and let's confirm. So we have $1 up to here. From here to here is $1 or 1 unit. And now I need 3 more pieces from the 10 pieces that I have from 0 to 1. So we have 1, 2, and 3 pieces. So my answer is letter G. 1.3 is 1 unit and 3 pieces out of 10 pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you need help with your children understanding math, basic math, please let me know, and I will be giving you some, and I can give you some tips. And I also have a tutoring service that we can talk about. Have a good day. Bye-bye.